Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to turn off iPhone read receipts. Here are the steps to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Go to the home screen and open the Settings app by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and tap Messages. This opens your iMessage settings. Find Send Read Receipts. This controls whether others can see if you read their messages. Toggle off Send Read Receipts. When switched off, others will only see that their message was delivered, not read. Optional. Turn off read receipts for individual conversations. Open the Messages app. Select a specific conversation. Choose the chat with the person you want to customize. Hold the contact's name for a few seconds. This opens the conversation settings. Then choose Mark as Unread. This lets you block read receipts for specific people while keeping it on for others if you like. Confirm changes by returning to the chat. This setting is now applied immediately. Take note, when read receipts are off, the sender will only see delivered even if you read their messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.